And hello everyone, welcome back to another HTML tutorial. So in a previous tutorial, we talked about pretty cool stuff with media and whatnot. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about iframes. Iframes is basically just how you display or show a website within your website. And I'll show you much different examples of this. For example, if you want to get a very quick one, you just search up my YouTube channel, pick any video you like, give it a thumbs up, and then say share. Now you will see an option saying embed. It will give you an iframe that you can copy and paste within your website. So let's go here and just paste. Now I'll cover most of this in a second, but now if we were to run our HTML page, then here we go. We now have a video from YouTube on our page. So that is pretty cool. And we can actually play it and it will work and whatnot. So yeah, that's the basics of an iframe. I'm going to show you how to work with them mostly locally, but you can use outside sources like YouTube if you wanted to. Cool. First, I would like us to create a new web page. So let's go here, create a new website or a new HTML page. We can call it posts.html. Now, posts.html is a very basic HTML page. So let's just remove everything we don't need, like the bootstrap. We don't need that. That's a tutorial for another day. Font awesome, we don't need that. Yeah, we can just remove everything here. We don't need any of this, except for maybe the meta. But we can delete that if we don't want it. Anyhow, now I can just open this with Live Server. And I can give it a title, posts. And I can give it a div. And this div will contain a h2 that says I am cool as the title and have a p tag with lorem inside of it. We can copy this, and this time there will be I am very cool, and in here we can add some more lorem. Okay, so this is what we see on this page. Nice. Now here with index.html, we can put that inside of an iframe, so all of this, and then view it inside of this page. So an iframe syntax is pretty simple. It's just iframe, and you close it like that. It has a source, and this source is what you want to display. So if we want to display this posts.html, which is in the same folder as this index.html, we can say posts.html. And now here we have a little web page inside of our already existing web page. So you can see we have a web page, but now we can view the other web page inside of it. You can add things such as a description. This description will help screen readers describe what is going on, or just in general describe what it is. For example, this is the posts page. Won't change anything here, but now it has a description. We can also add a title. It's always recommended to give a title because screen readers may use that title to basically say what the content in the iframe is. Very much like the description, but more important. So, posts page. Yet again, we won't see a difference, but screen readers will. We can also give it a specific width and height. For example, a width of, let's say, 400. Now the width is more. And in a height of, let's say, 700. And now the height is more. Let me make it a bit smaller so we can still see that scroll bar. There we go. And you can, of course, also style it. For example, style border 1px solid red. This will make the border red. This isn't the CSS course voice, so we can remove this style attribute. But you can use that same method to also remove the border. So if you wanted to, you could go here and say none. And that will also remove the border. And that is that. An iframe is really that simple. It's just there to display a web page inside of your web page. It's a very basic concept, and a lot of people actually seem to struggle figuring out what it means, but it's just a web page. You have this website and it's inside of your website. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next HTML tutorial.